Begin by closing your eyes and bringing an awareness to the breath. Breathe in deeply and feel the air fill your lungs. Take in a cleansing breath, and as you exhale, let out all the negative thoughts you accumulated during the day. Continuing to breathe, I want you to begin imagining a snow globe. This snow globe is your mind. I want you to shake it as hard as you can and count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On 1, I want you to stop shaking the globe and watch the snow begin to settle. These are your thoughts. As the snow in your imaginary globe begins to settle, so do your thoughts, and you let go of any stress that the day has caused you. Like the globe, you are now still. As you look at your snow globe, a great sensation of peace begins to fill your lungs as you breathe. Feel the calmness spread through your entire body, from your head to your toes. Allow this peaceful state to embrace you fully. You are at ease, your mind is clear, and your body is relaxed. Hold on to this tranquility as you continue your breathing, knowing you can return to this serene place whenever you need. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace with you. Carry this calmness into the rest of your day or night, allowing it to guide you towards a more relaxed and mindful state.